Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by choosing one clear task and committing a fixed focus block, 25 to 50 minutes. Put your phone in another room or enable Do Not Disturb so interruptions drop dramatically. Once done, clear everything except 3 essential items and a water bottle. Visual clutter competes for attention. This immediate setup reduces decision friction and signals your brain that work time is different from scrolling time. Start the timer now and tell yourself, 1 block, no multitasking, only this task. Once the timer runs, sustain focus by structuring how you handle drift. When your mind wanders, quickly jot the distracting thought on paper and immediately return to the work. This preserves cognitive real estate. Use a brief 5-minute micro break between blocks to stand, stretch, or breathe. Short resets prevent fatigue. Make sure to tune block length. Add or subtract 5 to 10 minutes based on your energy and task complexity, because matching rhythm to difficulty keeps motivation and flow intact. You finish each session with a quick 3-minute review. Note what you completed, the very next action, and a realistic time estimate. If interruptions still happen, identify their source, notification, people, environment, and apply a single countermeasure like scheduled check-ins or app limits. Targeted fixes beat vague rules. Finally, celebrate one small win to reinforce progress, then schedule the next block so momentum continues. If single tactics fail, retrace steps. Remove one variable and test again until reliability improves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.